Yo, what's going on, guys? Good morning. Last night I mentioned we had to watch this hourly FVG and this hourly FVG because we had a bearish one and a bullish one, and we were kind of just chilling in the middle. And I said whichever one broke would give us at least the AM trend this morning. As you can see, we have now closed above. Remember yesterday we hit this one and then we came back down. We balanced some 15-minute fair value gaps. We came down, rebalanced this one, rebalanced this one, rebalanced this one, and now we have now closed back above this hourly, and you can see we closed above, and now we are getting our retest here. But we did take this high, so not it's not necessarily a good long here because this internal liquidity was already taken, but you can still see we're getting a nice reaction off of it. So if this continues, I'm looking for 15.020, which has been our target since Monday to the upside. And remember that also puts us right into this hourly, daily, this daily bearish fair value gap sitting up here that would want to be rebalanced. And then we'll look for what happens there. ES a little bit weaker just because obviously, we bounced from here yesterday. We hit this fair value gap, came back down, rebalanced some. And then we had a inverse here. Actually happened in Asia last night. You see, we closed back above this hourly retest, and you could expect us to at least go to this high. And now you see we at least ran up to this high. So pretty cool how that worked in Asia last night. Actually, very good price action last night for Asia. And now you see we have closed back above this one that we could not get above yesterday. Here we are now retesting it just like NQ, and then looking for our target that I laid out yesterday of 43.67 on ES, which would put us right into this hourly fair value gap. So that's what I'm looking for today. Uh, any downside, I would want to see. I would not want to be interested in shorts today until like maybe these hourly fair value gaps break, because these are obviously going to be strong points. We may come back down and rebalance them before going higher, but as of right now, all the order flow on the candles is being respected. Like everything looks very bullish at the moment. Also, something else to note. Even if we do go higher here, you're looking for 43.83, and then up to 4400 would put us back in it would put us back in ES's daily fair value way up here. But I don't think we're going to get that kind of move today. We could get a trend Friday, who knows? But I'd be surprised. But anything's possible, right? So and just a little something else to consider. We now are working on a 4-hour fair value gap here, combined with this 4-hour order block. This 4-hour order block told us as soon as we got this candle that we could expect higher prices here. So that's exactly what we're getting. We got the same thing on NQ as well, and that's kind of what pushed us. We got to close over here, so this became an order block. Then when we close over the body, and then you see we got our nice move up here. So that's what I'm looking for. And then if we would run up to 15.026, we would almost have ran this entire downtrend that I marked out yesterday. And then obviously it kind of runs up a little bit higher too. So it wants to. I mean, maybe not. Obviously not today, but maybe going into next week, we run back up to 15.152, which would also fill in the 152 volume gap sitting here on NQ, which would fill in this daily bearish FVG as well, and then all daily uh, fair values are filled until back up to here. So have to see what kind of price reaction we get once we get up to 1520 today. That's where I'll be watching. And then yeah, anything to the downside, I'm not bearish until we break until we violate this 4-hour, and then NQ also has a 4-hour down to here. So hard to be bearish today. You might be able to catch a short move, but you won't catch me taking any short positions today. So with that, hope you guys have a good day. We'll see you in chat.